If you want to use a link to Windows on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next in here, we're going to go to Cross-Device Connectivity or Device Connect. You can actually have one of these two names. And then we can go to PC. Once you open PC, over here in the upper right corner, we can tap on these three dots, and then we have Connect to Windows. And there we go. This is how we can find link to Windows on our phone. And this is how we can connect to our PC. Of course, now we can choose sign in using the QR code on your PC. So let's do this. Let's grant the permissions. And now on your Windows PC, you want to open the Phone Link app. There we go. This is how the app looks like. Just simply search for Phone Link. You should be able to already have it on your Windows PC. And we can go to Android. We can select Android. We can again generate the QR code, which we need to scan. And later on, you will have a 6-character code that you will need to enter on your phone in order to finalize this process. And you should be able to easily link your OnePlus 15 with the Windows Phone Link app. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.